வணக்கம் நண்பர்களே, இந்த வீடியோவில் ரயில்வே எல்டிசி எக்ஸாம் ஃபார் ஜூனியர் இன்ஜினியர் ஃபார் இன்ஜினியரிங் டிபார்ட்மெண்ட்டினுடைய கொஷின் பேப்பரில் இருக்கக்கூடிய முக்கியமான கொஷின்ஸ் அண்ட் ஆன்சர்ஸ் பார்த்துட்ருக்கோம். இப்போ இதுக்கு முன்னாடி ஒரு 50 கொஷின்ஸ் பார்த்தாச்சு. இப்போ 51வது கொஷின் பார்க்கலாம். 51வது கொஷின், ஃபுல் ஃபார்ம் ஆஃப் டிஆர்டி. ஆன்சர் ஏ ஆப்ஷன், டபுள் ரயில் டெஸ்டர். அடுத்து நெக்ஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின் பார்க்கலாம். எஸ்ஆர்டி இஸ் யூஸ்டு ஃபார். எஸ்ஆர்டி இஸ் யூஸ்டு ஃபார். ஆன்சர் ரயில் டெஸ்டிங். அடுத்தது 53வது கொஸ்டின், மார்க்கிங் ஆஃப் 3 red paint cross in USFD defects indicates. Answer IMR. Next question, 54வது question, marking of one circle with red paint is red paint in USFD defects indicates. Answer DFWO. அடுத்தது 55th question, IMR or IMRW should be removed within dash days of detection. Answer 3 days of detection. 56th question, the speed of the train over non-interlocked facing points shall not be exceed. Answer 15 km/h. Next 57th question, the wear on the outer rail on the curve can be reduced effectively by. Answer all of the above. Lubricating the cage face of outer rails on the curves, maintaining correct curves geometry under super elevation, provision of suitable check rail. All of the above all correct. அடுத்து 58th question, for fan shaped turnout to avoid hitting of noise, it shall be ensured that the check rail clearance should be between dash. Answer 41 to 45 mm. Next 59th question, in case of 52 kg CMS crossing, following dimensions should be deducted from the wear measurements to find out the actual wear of noise of crossing. அதாவது to account for slope in casting of wings rails to 1/20 cant. 59th question answer 2.0 mm. Next 60th question, gap between the top edge of the tamping blade and the bottom edge of the slipper in closed position of the damping tool should be adjusted to. Answer 15 mm to 20 mm. Next 61th question, all rail joints should normally be lubricated. Answer once in a year. Once a year. அடுத்தது 62nd question, deep screening should be carried out in the following situation by providing full ballast caution. Answer is all of the above. Answer is all of the above. Next question, 63rd question, in case of 60 kg CMS crossing, following dimension should be deducted to account for the slope in casting of wings rails in 1/20 count from the wear measurement to find out the actual wear of noise of crossing? Answer is A option 2.5 mm. That is 64th question. Work of lifting or lowering of track shall be carried out under supervision of minimum dash. Supervision of dash. Minimum JEPV. C option. Next question, 65th question. Who is responsible for maintaining the railway land boundaries between stations and at unimportant stations? Stations and unimportant stations. Answer SSE PV. Next 66th question. In cutting, maximum distance apart of trolley refuse shall not exceed. Answer A option 100 meter in curve. 67th question. In high banks, maximum distance apart of trolley refuse shall not exceed. Answer 200 meter. Answer 200 meter. அடுத்தது 68th question. Limits of vertical wear of 60 kg per meter rail section is. Answer 13 mm. At the 69th question. Limits of vertical wear for 52 kg per meter rail section is. Answer 8 mm. அடுத்தது 70th question. 60 kg per meter அதாவது 90 UDS rail shall be planned for through renewal after it has carried the minimum total traffic of how much GMT? Answer 800 GMT, gross metric ton. 71st question. All primary renewals in future shall be carried out with dash. Answer PRC sleeper. Answer A option. At the 72 question. Service life of ERC is. 72 question. $300 GMT. 300 GMT. Next is 73 question. Service life of metal liners is. Answer 8 years. 8 years. அடுத்தது 74th question. All indicator for LP ALP should be placed on dash side as seen by the loco pilot or assistant loco pilot, LP or ALP. Answer left hand. 75th question. No dash shall be attached to a train. Answer motor trolley. Next 76th question. Push trolley should be manned by at least dash person. Minimum 2%. Minimum 2%. Sorry, minimum 4%. minimum 4%. Next, special class level crossing are having TVU more than dash. Answer 50,000. TVU 50,000. Next, 78th question. B class level crossing are having TVU more than dash. Answer is 20,000. 79th question. At a new manned level crossing, which type of barrier should be normally be provided? Answer lifting barrier. Yes. At the 80th question. All roads crossing should preferably crossing the railway line at dash. Answer 90 degrees.